everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Arvinder Kaur. Many students think social science means long answers, memorizing dates, and reading thick chapters. What if I tell you social science can become creative, joyful, and activity based? Yes, through art integration, we can transform history, geography, civics, and economics into engaging classroom experiences.
So first we will understand the concept of term art integration. Art integration is a teaching approach where subjects are connected with visual arts, performing arts and creative expression. So it is not extra work, it is not time waste, it is meaningful learning through creativity. Students don't just memorize, they experience, perform and understand. So art integration is very important for long term learning and for creative learning. Now we will understand how we can integrate art into history, civics, geography or political science. So I have taken first topic of history. Instead of only reading about monument, student can create miniature models of heritage site using clay or cardboard. You can organize a small heritage exhibition in the classroom. So here each student presents when was the monument built, who built it, what is the importance of that monument. So here student will learn, understand the architectural heritage, develop research skills and improve presentation confidence.
Your models are coming along beautifully. Keep going.
Thank you, ma'am. We love making them.
Wonderful. Think about the stories these places
Yes, it's like building history.
Welcome to our heritage exhibition. This is a model of the Taj Mahal. Built in 1632, it's a symbol of eternal love and our rich history. We made these models to share our culture.
Next we will take topic from political science, that is democracy. So here student will learn democracy through mock election activities. Student become candidate, voters and election officers. They create campaign, poster, design symbol and deliver speeches. We set up a real polling booth in the classroom where students cast their votes secretly. After counting the vote, we will discuss fairness and responsibility. Through this activity, students don't just read about democracy, they experiences. This is very interesting topic. You must conduct these type of activity in your classroom.
Hey class, let's vote. Remember the process. Mark your choice, fold it, and drop it in the box. And don't forget to get your finger inked.
Friends, vote for me. I promise better books and fun trips for our class.
I voted. This is so exciting. Look, I got the ink mark.
So next topic we can take from economics. In economic, abstract concept like demand and supply can be difficult. So transform your classroom into mini markets. Some students become shopkeepers, some become customers, use handmade paper currency. After the activity, discuss why did prices change, what happened when demand increases. These types of questions can be asked from the student. So here definitely practical understanding of economic interaction will increase.
How much for the apples?
5 rupees each.
I'll take 2. Demand is high, so the price is now 7 rupees.
Excellent. Notice how price changes with demand.
So next topic is unity in diversity. Very interesting topic. But how do we help students truly understand this concept? Not just to memorize this, because this is a reality based topic. So unity in diversity is not only a definition in a textbook, it is a feeling, and feelings are about understood through experiences. So here art integration will definitely help. So instead of only explaining the chapter, we can organize folk dance performances, traditional costume presentation, cultural exhibition. Through these activities, students don't just learn about diversity, they will celebrate it. So what will be the learning outcome? When students see different costume, hear different music and perform different traditions, they realize something important about their country. Next topic is water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. So students often memorize these terms, but do they really understand the process? So in this you can ask student to create a 3D water cycle model using cotton for clouds, blue chart paper for water bodies, clay or cardboard for mountains, arrows showing movement of water. So here student will label evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. So they can even add small houses, trees, rivers to make it more realistic. Divide student into small group. Each group prepare one model. After completion, student present and explain how water evaporate, how clouds are formed. This develop both conceptual clarity and communication skills among the students. Next, another interesting topic is preamble. So in civics, instead of just reading the preamble, student can design a beautiful calligraphy poster, can create a constitution wall in your classroom. Student illustrate values like justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. So what will be the learning outcome? Student emotionally connect with constitution values rather than memorizing the definitions.
Wonderful work, everyone. Let's see our constitution wall.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic.
Next topic can be freedom fighter struggle. So when we teach freedom fighters in the classroom, students often memorize name, date and movement. But do they truly feel the courage and sacrifice behind those stories? You can take this topic and integrate art in this topic and make learning meaningful and experiential. So here, instead of only explaining about freedom fighters, assign student different roles. One student become reporter, other become historical personality. They perform short dialogue explaining what inspired them, what challenge they faced. So this build confidence, communication skills and historical understanding among the students. So teachers, every topic in the social science can be art integrated topic. You have to just think out of the box and creatively. If you want any help, you can write in the chat box. Thank you.
Let's label this mountain.
Okay, and I'll mark the river.
Perfect. It looks great.
The Harappans were pioneers in urban planning. They used a precise grid system.
Found this video helpful? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more innovative teaching strategies. In my next video, I will be sharing how you can integrate art in science, Hindi and English subjects as well. So stay connected and let's make teaching creative and meaningful. Thank you for watching.